Alright guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be installing the, well, kind of I guess marking up our intercooler and seeing how everything fits up. And I'm going to tell you guys how I have to remove the front bumper cover here. Let me zoom out. Got to remove that little cover, and I'll show you guys here. I'll walk through before I like time lapse the whole thing, so if some of you want to see where the bolts are, what comes off and whatnot, I'll show you here in a second. And this is the intercooler. We got our brackets. So I just got to like mark everything up, bolt things down, and yeah, hopefully there's no issues here. But if you guys gonna remove your bumper here, it's there's a couple bolts I'll show you here. This guy right here, this guy in here. I live in SeaTac, so there's a lot of planes that go by, so kind of bear with me here. But there's gonna be some bolts in here. Let me go see a better way I can show you guys. There you go, see it right there, boom. There should be a couple in here. I'm missing some. This bumper, this cover is kind of missing some bolts, but if you guys follow where I'm at, this from here all the way through, there should be some bolts. I don't know if it's, I think it's like 3 or 4 on this side, and the opposite as well. If you can see in there, if it focuses, come on. Come on, nope, I guess not. But right there, that's a bolt. You're gonna go through and remove all of them here, and then if we go under the car, there you go. This brackets right here. Oh, I almost fell. There's gonna be some bolts you're gonna loose down here, and also there's gonna be a bolt, a bracket that goes from the bumper, your bumper from in here to the frame down here. And well, I think, no, my bad, I mean the fender connects to it. This bumper has just been missing a lot of stuff. This car was being parted out, as you guys clearly could tell. So that's why I had to put the whole interior together. It was missing everything basically. So basically that's all you're gonna need to do. And of course around here there's gonna be a bolt up in here. This goes up like so, so you want to disconnect from here, and also on the other side. And like I said, that should be, so this will just hook on here, but everything's kind of missing. So all I'm gonna do is, I got a those couple bolts I showed you, I just got to remove that, and this bumper, actually this bumper cover should just come off pretty simply. So it's already basically ready to come off right now. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this, set you guys up, remove this, take our intercooler, start lining it up where I need to have it, center it, and then bolt it up. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up, and let's get that cover off.
guys, check it out. So we have the intercooler, just the top bolt on there. Notice I had to remove the bracket that was here. Kind of like my old setup I had to do, but so for underneath I got this little bracket here. So what I'm gonna do is go push the intercooler inwards, and then go ahead and bolt from here and here. So from intercooler to the frame underneath, that goes a little bar that goes down there, and then I would just adjust it the way I want, and then I can test the piping, make sure I have clearance from this side and that side, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done here. But let me put this on and I'll show you guys how it looks.
Alright guys, check it out. So we have our intercooler on. I kind of did the same setup I had on my 1JZ, and it basically looks just like this when I did it. I'll show you guys the pictures. Check out some of the pictures here. And that basically what you just saw is how I had my last setup. And as you guys can tell, it's pretty simple to install this. It's not too hard. So it comes with the brackets here, and all I did was line this one up, right? So when I'm ready, right now everything's kind of loose because it's not tightened down yet. As you can tell, the motor is not in. I need the motor in to kind of line everything on there kind of the way I need it to be, and then I can adjust here on each side. So once you get that top part on, all you gotta do is come under here, underneath here, there's brackets here. Let's see if I can back up so you guys can see. Can I focus on that? Yeah, this bracket's right here, so you can adjust it, but I mount it on here and it stays, as you can tell, and it's not even tightened down yet, so you don't have to worry about this coming off. And then same thing for here, just like that. And with it being this far back, your crush bar, this thing right here should fit in there with no issue. And like I said, you guys saw my the pictures I posted, clearly no issue, as this is tilted inwards, so you should be good there. And the hood latch will fit fine here. You shouldn't have any problems. I didn't have any problems. It just bolts right in here. The little bracket that goes there is going to be in the way, so you're gonna have to get rid of that, or you can make your own bracket if you need to. But I had no issue with it not being on, you know. And also, like I said, driving around with my last build, the same style, I didn't have any issues with the intercooler going anywhere or falling off. That's just boosting or just driving to work on the freeway. And I drove around for a couple months without any bumper on there. So yeah, you guys should be good when you do it. And that's really it, really. Not much to it. It's not too difficult, not too hard. And so we can go ahead and let's do our power steering and our clutch line. We can hook that up right now. Alright guys, and this is the 2JZ, 1JZ. Somebody's ripping it out there. Yes sir. It's a 2JZ, 1JZ power steering line. So all we're gonna do on your Supra is come down here. Here. We're gonna put it in here. Hold on. Really hard to do this one hand. Wish I had a camera person. Now you guys can't even see. But let me just do this real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Alright guys, so check it out. It's on. I tightened it really good, really on this. So, and it comes with its own washer when you buy it from Drift Motion, so you don't have to worry about that. So now we'll move on to the clutch line. Pretty simple to install as well. Same thing. Alright boy, goes right in here, just like so. So let me put that on there real quick. So just like that, boom, clutch line's on. Bad boy goes all the way down there. My screen just went dark for a second. And power steering line is installed. So
that's how simple it is and how easy it is. And both of this came from Drift Motion. So yeah, and of course for my intercooler, I think what I ended up doing the last build, when I went to get my downpipe made, I just had them from here all the way up, the piping, had them welded, and also the one that's down here, had it welded all the way up. So, and it looked nicer and cleaner. So yeah, definitely wanted to get rid of those clamps on this side and on that side, not really here. So I just had those welded, that way it doesn't pop off when I'm driving, because I had that issue. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This intercooler was from Drift Motion. So if you guys order it, it's pretty simple. You can just do the same thing. You don't have to do anything crazy, no cutting or welding or anything like that. It's just, it goes on there pretty simple, plug and play. So yeah, next video, hopefully I get the parts that I ordered, the right ones to come here, and we can get the motor in, and then I should have the radiator. I'm not sure why the radiator is taking so long to get here, but nonetheless, another plane, and we are done for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one, be safe, peace.